Metaverse has been a buzzword for some time now, but many of us are still confused about the meaning of Metaverse. In short, the Metaverse is like a website, but instead of seeing it in a 2D display, we can explore this Metaverse in real-time 3D inside the website. Still confused? Let's see it for real then. Just like this world, Metaverse is also a world with a small difference. It is virtual. See, like a world, the Metaverse is composed of many places with different topography, aesthetics, and purpose. Now, let's see for real. This is Decentraland, a famous Metaverse platform. In front of us, we can see 3 boards saying Classics, Events, and Crowd. In the Classic section, we can explore many games like Riding a Dragon, Turkey Land, etc. We use the word teleport, which refers to going from one place to another. We can find the map of Decentraland here. It shows the places we can explore in this metaverse. Here, we can see many galleries, like the real one we find here at exhibitions. Galleries are of big potential in the metaverse economy. We can exhibit and sell our NFTs, artworks, and character outfits for real money. From the above footage, you must have gotten a clear-cut picture of what is Metaverse and how it works. Now, let's go to buy some land in the Metaverse. Let's go! Here, you can see at the wall the list of lands we can buy or rent. Here, the amount is shown as 250 mana. Mana is the official cryptocurrency of Decentraland, which is 20,305 rupees here. With this amount, we can rent this particular land and build anything we want or rent it out to anyone else. Do you know why I showed you all these fairy tale lands? See, here at Decentraland, we visited some places. What common things do you think were there? Let me help you. Art galleries, NFT exhibitions, outfit exhibitions, business advertisements, land and office rentals, games. Alright. Now let me ask you a question. What do these exhibitions and advertisements mean to you? Business? Money? Revenue? Branding? Believe it or not, Metaverse is the best option for you to sell whatever you have. If you don't believe me, just search for the prices of NFTs you saw there. Do some math about the price of a plot and rent money you can get from them in a year. The world is changing. We are running behind opportunities. And Metaverse is a potential which can turn our 5-hour screen time into 100% virtual presence. And this means opportunity. The opportunity to sell your works, skills, advertise your products, and mostly make money. The question is, what can we do? Well, for starters, how about learning about Metaverse and exploring the opportunities and turning them into revenue? Sounds amazing, right? We got you covered. Join First Metaverse Degree India offered by Edapt.